Hey, it's me, Ashik, and Ashraf Bhai is there. And who is here? Mr. Ruhul.
Of course.
After a long time, you have joined us. So tell me something about the experience that you are having now.
Experience. I don't have any experience about you. Also, you man, because of you are the my hurting person.
Okay.
You are
Okay.
right now. I am doing the job. That's why I am staying another way.
Okay. Out of Dhaka.
Yep.
Okay.
That's why I don't. I can't meet with you um, properly. That's why I miss you a lot of time.
Okay, thank you so much. So Ashraf Bhai, recently he had joined in a new club, making so many videos regarding spoken English. He has been teaching English for a long time. Before that, he was at FM Method to teach students. So Ashraf Bhai, I'd love to ask you a question regarding English. How do you feel when your students or the people whom you teach, they can speak English? How do you feel that time?
I feel like so very happy.
Okay. So let me know about your recent activities that you are doing to make themselves perfect in English, and you are making some videos. So let's talk about that.
Truly, nowadays I'm making some English spoken video, and maybe it will be helpful for who are learning English. And another thing is I'm starting this making video because of I had a
Whatever. So you are teaching themselves, and sometimes maybe you are getting some negative comments regarding that, because those who do not know how to speak English properly, they are maybe afraid of it, and they are telling you maybe that why are you creating videos based on English only. So let me know about that experience.
Actually, my experience come from when I was a student of spoken English, and that time to nowadays, there are a lot of gap to communicate with people. But nowadays, people try to contact with me and always ask to me this: why are you making these types of video about English? And I always try to say them. Nowadays I'm totally free after completing my office time, and I don't wanna my waste time. I don't wanna waste time my with making sorry any other things.
Okay, so
And,
you are trying to teach yourself as well, not only those,
yes.
because you are learning. Thank you so much, Ashraf Bhai and Ruhul Bhai, for being here with me. And we are enjoying ourselves. So this is what we wanted to tell you. After a long time, we have received Mr. Ruhul Bhai, and Ruhul Bhai is enjoying. Yes,
Oh,
here we are.
enjoy.